Okay, guys, welcome. Smart Helping here. I'm Jay, and we got a cool project management template. This is one of the best use cases for Excel. Um, I've seen it in all kinds of different situations. I've tried to build the best, most flexible possible template to do this here. Link in the description box below if you want to purchase it. So here, I'll go through how it works. Everything's in one tab. We've got up to 100 tasks that or projects that can be tracked in um, parallel. What you can do is track by hour, day, week, or month. And this is the first time I've ever done anything like this on that granular of a level. So meaning if you wanted to show in a given day and you've got different start and end times for a bunch of different tasks that are happening within the same day, you can use this to track what's going on with each project and the progress of it. When it's completed, you can hit yes. If you hit no here, you can see the color coding changes for non-completed tasks. What this is kind of like is a milestone-based system. So when you've completed a milestone, a given task is a milestone, you hit yes and you get the color code change. I've also done a little dashboard up here at the top showing how many jobs or tasks or projects have been completed in this list and how many are total outstanding. You can see if I hit like no here, you've got one outstanding, and then it turns away from green because you're not fully complete. You can also, if you're doing hourly tracking, you could do it by 15-minute increments, 30, an hour, an hour would be 60 minutes, or even 120 minutes at a time. However you want, and that will be what displays at the top, and you could put your start and end times here for each task. Now, let's say we're tracking by week, which is probably one of the most common situations. The drop-down dates will update based on the week changing and the start date here. And you could say, well, I got project starting on the 29th of January, and let's say it goes to April 16th. There's the project, let's say it's not completed yet. That's fine, it's orange. Next project, you put in the dates, same deal. One interesting thing about this, you could use it for hierarchical tasks, meaning you have one main task and you've got like 5 underling tasks for that. And that's fine. For the first task, you just put, let's say this is going to go from January 8th to, let's say, June. So big long time here, all the way 6 months worth. And then we've got all these under tasks. You can say, well, let's say we got this task is going to start from January 22nd to the 29th. Not completed yet. Another one starting in April, going through to maybe May. And however you want to do it, or however your whatever your schedule is, you can do that and just manage little projects under one big project and then go to maybe take a space. Um, you can clear this out, clear the row out and just make a space. I also did color formatting updates. So depending on if you're doing hours, you use this for your start and end times. But if you're doing days, weeks, or months, you'll use this and the opposite will be color coded out. So it's, not to, that's not going to change anything in the schedule if you're on the given view. What else we got here? Let me undo these. Yeah, so I mean, it's very, very flexible project management template, single tab Excel sheet. I've built all the logic here. I've done it so it's really hard to break. It's really easy to add tasks too. You simply could just take the bottom row here, drag it all the way over, and I've done it all the way to column NJ, which gives you, if you were doing days, it gives you about a full year's worth of time, which is probably the longest you'd use it for. Like, because if you're doing weeks, that's up to, what, 7 years. If you're doing months, it's a long time, year 2053. But it's very flexible, very robust. And again, you can just drag the bottom row down if you want to track more than 100 tasks at a time. But very good for organization. If you're a project manager, here you go. This is Excel was built for this. Very, very good. Now, if you want any customizations on it, that's fine. I can do that too. My rate's $165 an hour. You can go to smarthelping.com and check that out. Uh, under requests, you can tell me what you want, and I do all kinds of financial modeling work, project tracking, data tracking, a lot of accounting tasks. I automate all kinds of stuff. So check it out. Like I said, link to buy this is in the description below. It'll be $45 one-time fee, and that's lifetime access to it. There's also a Google Sheet version I am going to build of this. It's going to work the same way. It's just in Google Sheets. Um, Not much. It'll work the exact same way. It's just, some people like it like Google Sheets. So there'll be a version of that available with the purchase as well. All right, that's all I got for you on this one. See you on the next one.